Welcome to my repair kit. In this video, I'll be showing you my flow over furniture stripping system. This is a Graco Husky 307 diaphragm pump. The intake hose sucks the stripper up into the diaphragm pump and out of the discharge hose. The piece of furniture sits in this stripping tray. We will be stripping the finish off of this Victrola. The first task is to take it completely apart to make it easy to strip, but showing that isn't for this video. Now that it's all taken apart, the most important thing is to put on your personal protective equipment and turn on the exhaust fan. Put your liquid stripper under the drain, put in the intake hose, and turn on your pump. Let the stripper flow over the piece of furniture and allow it to begin to dissolve the finish. Please help me reach my goal of 250 subscribers on YouTube. It would be greatly appreciated. Now turn on the pump for more stripper and use the brush to remove the old finish. Remove the stripper bucket and put in the lacquer thinner bucket to clean off all the stripper residue. Remove the piece of furniture from the stripping tray and dry off all the excess. Repeat this process for all the additional parts. You can also find my repair kit on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the social medias, including Reddit at R Furniture Repair. Sometimes you need a little brush to get into the hard to reach areas. So how long do you think it would take you to strip this Victrola by hand? It only took me about 30 minutes. Extrapolate that with multiple pieces of furniture over multiple years, you could conceivably save hundreds, if not thousands, of hours of labor. Put it outside to let the sun dry it and air it out, and it's ready for sanding tomorrow. Since we want to protect this emblem for the Victrola, we're going to cover it with paper and strip the outside of the top by hand. If you're interested in a book I wrote about professional furniture repair, you can find it at myrepairkit.com or look up My Repair Kit, Repair Furniture Like a Professional, 2nd edition. Thank you for watching.